If you are interested in investing in currency trading in Namibia, the Forex Brokers of Namibia can help. They offer traders a wide variety of features and tools that assist in day-to-day trading, such as live prices, charting software, and live news. The brokers also provide research on markets to help traders make a more educated decision about their chosen broker. You can get all these smoothly with the best Forex brokers in Namibia. The best way to learn about the Forex trading companies in Namibia is to do research about the brokers. Use the following resources for more information on Forex trading in Namibia. Best Forex brokers in Namibia list. There are many Forex brokers available in Namibia, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, FX Choice, IC Markets, FBS Markets, Blackbull Markets, XM, HF Markets, AXI, and Pepperstone. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in Namibia, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. Forex trading in Namibia is not completely legal, and authorized dealers such as Bureau de Changes, commercial banks can do it. So, the retail trader may not conduct Forex trading. However, there are alternatives, such as trading using offshore brokers. That's why we have made a Namibia Forex brokers list that operates offshore. So, you can use their brokers to trade Forex in Namibia. However, you must choose regulated Forex brokers in Namibia. Many people want to know how much it costs to start Forex trading. In the following part, we will be discussing the different costs that are associated with Forex trading, and how those prices can vary based on the type of trader you are. There are two types of traders: retail traders, who trade with personal money, and institutional traders, who trade with investors' money. Both have different costs associated with their trading, and those costs can vary by broker. For example, if you are a retail Forex trader and you choose to trade at a retail broker, the following costs will be incurred. Best Forex brokers accepting traders in Namibia require a commission to be paid on every trade, depending on the lot size that you trade. The larger the lot size, the more commission money you will pay per trade. Most of the best Forex brokers in Namibia charge between $2.50 and $3 for 100,000 unit trade. The spread is the difference between the buy price and the selling price of a particular currency pair. The spread is what allows brokers to make money and stay in business. It is also the reason why retail traders need to be more successful than institutional traders on a percentage basis in order to make a profit. In order to trade on the leverage, you will be required to deposit cash into your account. This cash is known as the margin, and the amount you need to deposit depends on the leverage you use when trading. For example, if your leverage is 100 to 1 and you trade with $5,000 of margin, your total lot size can be up to $500,000. To trade with advanced derivatives, the best Forex trading brokers in Namibia need to provide certain products and services that are not necessary for simple Forex trading. To get this product and service, you will pay a small fee. For institutional traders, the following costs are incurred when trading Forex. The buy and sell price of currencies from one country to another fluctuates constantly depending on the market. Transaction fees are a fee that the broker charges for executing trades on behalf of the investor. Trusted Forex brokers for traders charge 0.1% for each transaction, so if you trade 300 times in a month, you will pay $30 in transaction fees. Most institutional investors have a trading agreement with the best Forex brokers for beginners in Namibia, which allows them to pay less or sometimes no transaction fees. The difference between the two is that the broker does not charge a transaction fee, but the investor does. Institutional investors usually place a lot of money in their accounts and need to keep track of it all the time. This requirement places additional costs on the investor because they are required to maintain their account and pay fees in order to do so. Institutional investors usually have many monitors on their screens to keep track of their investments. This requires additional management costs because these monitors must be paid for. A part of the cost that is incurred by institutional investors can also be attributed to the different types of accounts that they trade in. Most institutions offer a wide range of different accounts in which they can trade, with different fees and commissions applied to each account type. As you can see, the costs associated with Forex trading aren't an issue of whether or not you can afford to trade. The costs are a part of doing business in this market, and any trader, whether they are a retail or institutional trader, will have to pay them. Overall, Forex trading in Namibia may cost as low as $10 or less. This includes your trading investment too. The best way to know how much Forex trading costs is to start trading. Institutional investors usually have many monitors on their screens to keep track of their investments. This requires additional management costs because these monitors must be paid for. A part of the cost that is incurred by institutional investors can also be attributed to the different types of accounts that they trade in. Most institutions offer a wide range of different accounts in which they can trade, with different fees and commissions applied to each account type. As you can see, the costs associated with Forex trading aren't an issue of whether or not you can afford to trade. The costs are a part of doing business in this market, and any trader, whether they are a retail or institutional trader, will have to pay them. Overall, Forex trading in Namibia may cost as low as $10 or less. This includes your trading investment too. The best way to know how much Forex trading costs is to start trading.